Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of LeetCode, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check the progress of the question solving on LeetCode that you have been previously solved. To check the insights, all you need to do is to just simply log into the leetcode.com, and this is the basic interface of LeetCode. On the top right corner, you're gonna find your profile picture icon. Just simply tap over it and go to your and here you're gonna see, no, don't need to go anywhere. Here only you're gonna find this option which says progress. Just simply tap on progress, and here you're gonna find all the progress, your current progress, your practice history, the questions you solved, the your acceptance rate, your total submissions, total questions solved, and many more you're gonna find right here only. And it is well defined in the type of graphs and other formats, so you can easily check your progress on LeetCode. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.